What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today, and what we're going to take a look at is Bitcoin. What I want to do is step back, guys. We're going to take a big picture look at Bitcoin and what's going on and where we potentially could be in this market cycle. So if you guys get something from these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It's always appreciated. Let's dig into this. So first of all, guys, haven't talked to you in a while. The reason why is because it's been a pretty boring spot in the market. What I want to do is just kind of give my body, mind, just everything a rest and kind of step back. And now that I'm back, what I want to do is start back with the big picture. And what I wanted to use here was the Bitcoin Cycle Master chart. And what this is going to do for us, if we go down here, just a quick update on it. Bitcoin Cycle Master can identify periods of increased risk when transaction behavior on-chain is indicative of major cycle highs. It also identifies areas of value opportunity where on-chain transaction behavior signals major cycle lows. So if we're taking a look at Bitcoin right now and where we're at, so the price is going to be in black, cycle lows is going to be in green here. So this does a fairly good job here at calling bottoms and tops. Can get fairly close for us here, just stepping back and looking at the big picture. In blue, it's considered undervalue. In purple, we have fair market value. In yellow, we have aggressively valued. And then in red, we have overvalued. So what we've had here, guys, is diminishing market cycles each time, just in terms of percentage gains. And that's typical as an asset gets larger and the market cap gets bigger. But in this last one here, we did get up to the red line here where we got into that overvalued territory. And right now, what we're doing, we're sitting between fair value and aggressively valued. So you can see in purple there, the price is just floating in between the two. So what this shows is that we potentially still could have more time in this bull market. We're at a nice healthy spot right now. I am going to get into the stock to flow just to show you typically after the halving, we'll at least get 6 months of great price action, 6 months or more, but on the short end, 6 months, where we can really have a nice run for Bitcoin. Typically, you'll see the money go from Bitcoin to Ethereum to the larger cap coins and then down into those smaller cap coins. And right now we've seen Bitcoin do really well. It's had high dominance, and then we've seen Ethereum lag a little bit. So the next thing that I would anticipate is that Bitcoin is going to continue to do well, but Ethereum would pick up in the weeks and months to come here, as well as money rotates into that with the ETF coming as well, and then into some of those top 10, top 25 coins. But right now we're sitting at that fair value and aggressively valued right in between that range. So looking healthy, guys, no problem there. If we take a look at the stock to flow model. So with the stock to flow model, and this may take a second to load for us, I just want to look from what happens after a Bitcoin halving. And this time we have had a little bit of front running, and we've never been at an all-time high essentially when the halving was taking place. So this is all new. Guys, you know, market cycles, they rhyme, they don't always repeat. There's going to be different things that take place inside of each market cycle. But typically when we get right here, guys, you can see this line where we have this halving and then we get a nice run. Over here, halving, and then we get a really nice run. Same thing again here. We get a really nice run. Here's our halving. And then what we're anticipating here, guys, and obviously anything can happen in this space, but we're anticipating a nice move out of here as well. And I want to see, you know, if we can get Bitcoin past that six-figure mark, that $100,000 in the months to come here. So I just want to step back here, guys, and just say that, you know, be patient. I know there's been a lot of back and forth and shaking out and things like that, but if you're in positions, just be patient in those positions, and I think all is going to be well here. We're going to see what happens in the days and weeks to come, but the main thing is you don't want to panic. You want to be patient in those positions and wait to sell into that euphoria. We have not seen that euphoria yet, so that's what we're going to be looking for. It's great to be back with you guys. God bless each and every one of you. Take care.